The next thing we want to look at is the elevation of the building. That is its three-dimensional rise. And here at the old sacristy, we have 4 registers or stories. One more than we had over at Brunelleschi's old sacristy. The reason? We're on the north side of the church, and so we get less light. And so Michelangelo, being somewhat practical in his making the structure a bit taller to allow more illumination to come inside. The first register or story reaches up to that cornice below the rectangular window. The next, the cornice above the rectangular windows. The third register is articulated by this massive semicircular arch which contains the window. And then the final story is the most perfect of architectural forms, which is the hemispherical coffered dome that crowns the entire structure.